Imagine if computers could not just compute numbers, but actually understand and talk like humans. That dream has shaped the history of large language models, or LLMs, and today we'll walk through that incredible journey. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how we went from simple chatbots to today's powerful AI like GPT-4 and beyond. The story begins in the 1950s and 60s with natural language processing, or NLP. Early programs like ELIZA could simulate conversation, but only through clever tricks, not real understanding. It was like teaching a parrot to mimic speech without actually knowing what it means. In the 1970s and 80s, language systems were rule-based. Scientists wrote down grammar rules and logical structures for machines to follow. The problem? Human language is full of exceptions, slang, and complexity. Rule-based systems worked in limited settings, but broke down in real conversations. By the 1990s and 2000s, things shifted to statistical NLP. Instead of rigid rules, models learned from data. For example, by analyzing millions of sentences, they could predict the next word. It was like teaching a student by giving them thousands of example essays until they start seeing patterns. A breakthrough came in the 2010s with word embeddings like word2vec and glove. Instead of treating words as separate tokens, embeddings placed them in a mathematical space where similar words were closer. For example, king minus man plus woman is a queen. Suddenly, machines captured meaning, not just patterns. Then came the game changer, transformers in 2017. Introduced in the paper, Attention is All You Need. Transformers used attention mechanisms to understand context better than ever. Instead of reading words one by one, they looked at entire sentences at once. This architecture became the foundation for today's LLMs. Google's BERT in 2018 pushed things further by enabling bidirectional understanding. Instead of reading text left to right, BERT understood context from both directions. This made search engines smarter and laid the groundwork for better comprehension models. Then came OpenAI's GPT series. GPT-2 in 2019 shocked the world with its ability to generate coherent paragraphs. GPT-3 in 2020 took it to another level with 175 billion parameters, powering apps, chatbots, and creative writing. GPT-4 further improved reasoning, safety, and multimodal capabilities. With these models, real-world applications exploded, from AI writing assistants to coding copilots, medical research tools, and customer service bots. Suddenly, LLMs weren't just academic experiments. They became everyday tools shaping industries. But with great power comes responsibility. LLMs also raised concerns: bias in training data, misinformation, job automation, and ethical use. These are the challenges researchers and companies are still working on to ensure AI is safe and fair. So what's next? The future of LLMs is about multimodal AI, systems that can handle text, images, audio, and even video together. Think of AI that doesn't just chat, but sees, hears, and understands the world like we do. This is the frontier we're stepping into. From simple chatbots like ELIZA to today's GPTs, the journey of LLMs shows how far we've come in teaching machines language, and we're just getting started. If you enjoyed this beginner-friendly dive into the history of LLMs, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone curious about AI. The future of language AI is bright, and you're now part of that journey.